what's up YouTube? It's me, Cassidy, and I'm gonna be doing your weather.
My name is River. I'll be telling you the weather today.
I am Colton, and I am getting you the weather today.
Today we're doing the weather. I'm Piper, and I'm Emery. Oh, this is Lake and Scott here with the weather today.
Today my name is... Hi, my name is Ian Schultz.
Thursday, right?
Tomorrow's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today's Monday.
Lizzie Key, and today we're going to be delivering the weather.
Hi!
Hi.
My name is Harper, and this is Abby.
Yeah.
With Emily,
And Tara. And
today it is 49 degrees Fahrenheit.
with south winds of 9 miles per hour and 0% chance of rainfall.
I think that's low.
So the condition right now is a cloudy overcast.
It's going to be 52. And then Wednesday? I can't figure it out.
On Wednesday there will be some wind and it will be 41 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no UV light today, so make sure to get your spray tans on.
Thursday will be 30 degrees. Friday, 38, 24, 0 rain. Actually, on Thursday, 29%. I don't really think it's gonna rain, but it's tight. Saturday, we got 24% for the high. Well, not percent, but like for the high.
You can see that it got colder, and on Sunday you can also see that the cold front is pushing in.
No good days for tanning until Sunday.